everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout today. So the first thing I'm going to do is mount these photos on these strips of navy polka dotted cardstock, and that is from Cartabella White Christmas. It's the Welcome Snow or Welcoming Snow paper. And then I'm going to put that on a background of that green paper, the Doodlebug Petite Prints Grasshopper Gingham Linen. I hope you're not tired of me talking about those Doodlebug Petite Prints, but obviously they are one of my favorite backgrounds. So this layout is about them blueberry picking. So I loved the mix of that green and blue to really emphasize what they were doing. I don't have any embellishments that are blueberries, and definitely not that I need to have embellishments that are blueberries either. But the blue and then the polka dots really kind of give you that feel without it actually having to be blueberries. So I have, and you see me do this frequently where I do 3 and 3. I'm kind of playing with this one a little bit. A lot of times I'll put the portrait photos, so the ones on the right page, at the top. This time I'm going to put them at the bottom, and I'll leave a little bit of space at the bottom as well with that, just to let that green paper peek through. I had kind of thought about justifying it all the way to the edge like I did on the left side, but I liked it better, or not that, yeah, the bottom edge. I liked it better being able to see a little bit of the green, and I think part of that is it gives the layout a floor on that side, if that makes any sense. At least it did in my mind. And I'm loving how these papers are working. The kids have a lot of like teal colors on, and they didn't do that on purpose, but that they just kind of worked really well there, or two of the kids do anyway. So I love how much fun they're having here. So now I am using this sticker journaling piece, and this came from the Vicky Booten hashtag sticker book, which is definitely a few years old, and I have plenty of stickers left in there, but sometimes I like to just go through it and see what I can find to work on my layout, and that's what I'm doing here. And sorry you guys, my camera's a little bit to one side there. I just realized that. So you're going to miss this, but you've seen me do this a lot. I'm using the edge of my mat there on the right to hold the stickers as I'm kind of looking at them to kind of figure out what I want to do. And so I'm bringing in, or trying to bring in, some of those aqua colors or turquoise colors there from the kids' outfits. It's a nice combination of the blue and the green. So you're just seeing me just going through, like I'll pull anything that, and I was so mad at myself there. These sticker books are really thin, and I ripped that one sticker. So then I also have, I had another one of the sticker books there, the Dear Lizzie sticker book, but I ended up not using anything from that. I did find this family sticker, and that came from an old Amy Tangerine collection called Hustle and Heart, and it was the sticker book that from that collection. That collection is from 2017, so it's about time I get rid of some of these. Well, not get rid of, but use up some of these stickers. And so I use that family sticker. I have a hard time with this sticker book because the stickers are all clear. So I think they work really well on that green background paper. So I'm okay with how this is looking here, just because you can't really put them on a lot of pattern paper. And then I have that noted sticker and that other clear sticker that says enjoy, and those are all coming from that hashtag sticker book. So I'm liking how that is all bringing in some of the clear elements there. And I just realized that I do have two, you'll see soon. I do have two embellishment clusters, and it's funny because there's going to be one clear and one solid. I am going to use a round chipboard alpha here. And so I grabbed the number 6, because there's 6 of them in their family. And I thought that would be a fun little addition. So I pulled off that Enjoy sticker because I thought it was a little bit too much. It looked like too much stuff there. So this chipboard alpha is from American Crafts. It's the Here and There thickers, and I just love that these look like blueberries. I mean, that could not be more perfect. I've had this alpha forever, and I have a really hard time using shaped alphas like this. I have one that's also hearts that I pull out every so often, but I don't use them all that often. But this one was perfect for this. And because I haven't used it all that much, I did have most of the letters. I did have to MacGyver a 3 into an E. I think I had one E, but I just grabbed the 2 3s just so that it all sort of worked together. Now, you're not going to see me do this, but after I was done with this, I did go back and I adhered these chipboard letters with my ATG. I don't trust the chipboard, and I don't even think these would have all stuck anyway because they are fairly old. So now I'm going through and using some of the pieces on the right side there. So I have that that label, and then that label has a butterfly on it that I'm not loving on this layout. So I'm kind of toying with what I'm going to do there. And then I have that clear sticker that says, I know you can do it, which was kind of funny. And then a heart sticker. And then I found this sticker that says life is good. And I just covered the butterfly. So a case of making the embellishments work for me instead of the other way around. Just ignored it. I would have actually cut that if I had needed to, but it fit just fine. And now I'm going back and thinking about adding that enjoy in, which I'm going to go back and do that now. I think I feel because I put that other sticker, clear sticker at the top with the heart, it just feels like it works better this time. And I now I don't know exactly why, but it feels more like a collection of things together than just sort of like an addition there, which was my concern. Now I'm going to come back in here and I am going to use some enamel dots from Altenew. This is the Glacier Caves enamel dots, and I'm using the lightest blue I have. So it's not quite white. It's just got a mere hint of color, but I'm really liking how that's looking and just giving a little more texture. You know, I do that quite frequently. And I'm just going to do the easy thing and do 3 dots here. Kind of figuring out where they're going to go though at the moment. All right, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye everybody.